Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete GroupMe chat. So let's get started the video. Open the GroupMe app on your mobile phone. Now go to the chat where you want to delete the chat history. Once you are here, click on the profile icon and you will find some options here. Click on settings. Now scroll down a bit and you will find the clear chat history option. Click on it. Now confirm the action by clicking clear. Your chat history has been cleared. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.